Have you ever been told that a simple trick can instantly add power to your Audi? Have you tried changes that promised better acceleration, only to feel no real difference? And do you know how many popular performance tips actually make your car slower over time? In this episode, we focus on the most common performance myths that Audi owners still believe. These are ideas repeated online, in forums, and even by experienced drivers. The problem is that most of them are either ineffective or actively harmful to real-world performance. Understanding what does not work is just as important as knowing what does. One of the most widespread myths is that resetting the battery or disconnecting it will permanently restore lost power. While it is true that disconnecting the battery can reset certain adaptive values, the effect is temporary. Modern Audi systems relearn behavior very quickly. If driving habits and settings remain unchanged, the car returns to the same conservative responses within a few driving cycles. Relying on resets instead of correcting the cause leads to frustration and inconsistent results. Another common belief is that driving exclusively in sport or dynamic mode at all times automatically improves performance. While these modes sharpen throttle response and transmission behavior, using them constantly without understanding their purpose can actually reduce long-term responsiveness. Adaptive systems expect variation. When the car is forced into aggressive settings at all times, it may smooth responses again to protect components and efficiency. Performance comes from correct use, not permanent extremes. Cold air intake myths are also extremely common. Many owners assume that any aftermarket intake automatically improves performance. In reality, poorly designed intakes can disrupt airflow readings, increase intake temperatures, and confuse engine management. This leads to reduced throttle precision and inconsistent acceleration. Without proper calibration, these changes often do more harm than good in everyday driving. Fuel myths are another major source of confusion. Some drivers believe that using premium fuel in any situation automatically increases power. While higher quality fuel allows the engine to maintain optimal timing, it does not compensate for poor airflow, dirty sensors, or inefficient driving habits. Fuel quality supports performance, but it cannot replace basic system health. Before we continue, if you want clear explanations instead of recycled myths, and you want to learn what actually helps your Audi perform better in real driving, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This series is designed to save you time, money, and frustration by focusing only on what truly works. Another persistent myth involves tire upgrades without considering pressure and alignment. Wider tires are often assumed to improve acceleration and grip, but increased rolling resistance can make the car feel heavier and slower if pressures are not optimized. Performance is a system. Changing one element without considering the rest usually leads to disappointment. Many owners also believe that disabling driver assistance systems permanently improves performance. While some systems do soften throttle response when active, turning everything off blindly can remove safety logic without delivering meaningful gains. The key is knowing when these systems influence power delivery and managing them intelligently, not eliminating them completely. The most damaging myth of all is the belief that perceived performance always reflects real performance. Modern Audis are refined and insulated. Removing noise and vibration can make acceleration feel less dramatic, even when it is objectively quicker. Chasing sensation instead of response often leads owners toward ineffective or risky modifications. In the next part, we will expose the subtle habits and helpful tricks that slowly reduce performance over time, even though they seem harmless at first. Now that we have exposed the most common performance myths, it is time to focus on something even more important: everyday habits that quietly make your Audi slower over time. These are not dramatic mistakes or obvious errors. They are small behaviors repeated daily that slowly train the car to be conservative, less responsive, and less engaging without the driver realizing it. One of the most damaging habits is driving almost exclusively on very short trips. When the engine rarely reaches full operating temperature, it remains in protective modes longer. Fuel enrichment stays active, friction losses increase, and deposits form more quickly in intake and combustion components. Over time, this reduces responsiveness and smoothness. While short trips are often unavoidable, never allowing the engine to fully warm up limits its ability to maintain optimal behavior and efficiency. Another habit that silently affects performance is extremely light throttle use at all times. Smooth driving is not a problem, but never applying decisive throttle input teaches adaptive systems to prioritize efficiency above everything else. Audi vehicles learn from the driver. If throttle input is always minimal, the engine management and transmission logic respond by softening throttle mapping and avoiding downshifts. The result is a car that feels slower not because it lost power, but because it learned to delay delivering it. Ignoring tire pressure until a warning light appears is another common mistake. Even small deviations from recommended pressure increase rolling resistance. This absorbs energy that should be used for acceleration and makes the car feel heavier. Overusing comfort and convenience systems also plays a role. Running maximum climate control, seat heating, steering wheel heating, and defrosting continuously increases engine and alternator load. Modern Audi systems manage this intelligently, but the engine still compensates by smoothing throttle response. Another habit that limits performance is never using manual control. Automatic transmissions adapt strongly to driving style. If the car is always left in full automatic mode with no manual intervention, the system reinforces early upshifts and conservative behavior. Occasional use of paddle shifters or manual gear selection does not require aggressive driving. It simply signals to the transmission that the driver values responsiveness. This helps maintain sharper shift logic over time. Constantly driving in the same mode also reduces adaptability. Performance comes from intelligent use of modes, not permanent extremes. Another overlooked factor is braking habits. After washing the car or driving in wet conditions, light corrosion can form on brake components. This increases rolling resistance temporarily and makes the car feel less free. A few controlled braking events during normal driving help clear this buildup. Expectations also shape perception more than most drivers realize. Modern Audi vehicles are refined, insulated, and quiet by design. Acceleration is delivered smoothly, without drama or noise. This can make the car feel slower even when it is objectively performing well. Drivers who chase sensation often assume performance is missing when, in reality, it is simply delivered in a controlled and refined way. Another subtle habit is constantly switching settings without consistency. Adaptive systems need repeated input to maintain learned behavior. Changing drive modes, transmission settings, and assist configurations every few minutes prevents the car from adapting effectively. Consistent configuration over several drives allows the system to stabilize and deliver predictable response. Here is the most important insight of this episode. Performance loss is rarely sudden. It fades gradually as small inefficiencies accumulate and adaptive systems are trained in one direction only. Reversing this process does not require extreme measures, expensive upgrades, or risky modifications. It requires awareness, intention, and correct input. As a final reminder, do not chase every new trick you see online. Focus on fundamentals. Clean airflow, accurate data, correct pressures, proper settings, and conscious driving habits deliver more consistent results than any shortcut. Your Audi is not becoming slower by accident, it is responding to how it is used. If you want to continue learning how to avoid these mistakes and get the absolute maximum real-world performance from your Audi without compromising reliability, make sure you are subscribed. In the next episode, we will move into advanced onboard strategies that most owners never use, even though they are already built into the car.